Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel for drying flowers. First, select fresh, vibrant blooms that are fully open, as these will dry most beautifully. You will need fine-grained silica gel, an airtight container, and a small, soft brush. Carefully trim the flower stems to approximately 1 inch in length and gently remove any leaves that would be submerged in the gel. This preparation ensures your flowers are ready for preservation. Now, let's begin the drying process. Start by pouring a layer of silica gel, about 1 inch deep, into the bottom of your chosen airtight container. Carefully arrange your flowers on this base layer, making sure there is ample space between each bloom. Then, slowly and gently pour additional silica gel over the flowers, ensuring every petal and crevice is completely covered. This full encapsulation is key to successful drying. Once your flowers are fully submerged, seal the airtight container tightly. The drying time typically ranges from 2 to 7 days, varying with the flower's size and density. Smaller, delicate blooms might be ready in just 2 or 3 days, while larger ones could take up to a week. To check, carefully uncover a small portion of a flower and gently feel its texture. It should feel dry and papery. After the drying period, it's time to reveal your preserved blooms. Carefully pour the silica gel out of the container, allowing the dried flowers to emerge. Use a small, soft brush to gently remove any lingering silica gel particles from the petals and crevices. Your flowers are now beautifully preserved. Store them in a dry, cool location, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their vibrant color and delicate structure for many years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.